Hi everyone. Today we will demonstrate you the HiveNet prototype. We will show you its user interface, its key features and its capabilities. Have fun! Hello again, I'm Max. If you're watching this video, you probably already know about HiveNet's vision. We want to enable computer owners anywhere in the world to rent out their idle computing power to paying customers. Many of you may have already heard or read about HiveNet's working prototype. I bet you're curious to see it in action. So today we are showing you how it works. With me today are Debashish and Thomas. But first, let me show you the setup of today's demo. We have one test customer, who is Debashish, who is using a Windows 10 notebook. And we have two test users, Thomas and myself. One of us is using a notebook with a macOS and one of us is using a Windows 8.1 notebook. These three machines have an internet access but are not directly connected with each other. The general process is like this. The test customer will upload 5 exemplary tasks into the HiveNet, which are distributed to the participating test users. The test users' computers will then perform the computations which are given in these tasks. Once a task is completed, the test user gets a notice in the client software and the respective results are automatically sent back to the HiveNet and available for download by the customer. After a task is completed, the client software will request the next available task from the HiveNet. This continues until all 5 test tasks, which we have today, are finished. For completing tasks, the test users are getting rewarded with test coins. These test coins are located on a dedicated blockchain, which is connected with the HiveNet and the HiveNet clients. For ensuring the continuance of the blockchain in the test environment, blocks in this blockchain are right now created by 3 servers, which are set up for this purpose. Now, Debashish, Thomas and I will walk you through each of the steps in our respective roles. So let's get started.
Hi, this is the screen of a test customer. The test customer wants to upload some tasks to the cloud, HiveNet cloud, and get its computation task done. And now you can see that we have a small script which has a function to upload the task to the cloud. And we have different jobs here. We call this function 5 times to upload 5 different tasks with name task 1 and task 5. So when we call this function on the command prompt, call this script on the command prompt, then this will do the job of uploading all the tasks. As you can see now that all the tasks are now uploaded to the cloud, and now we are waiting whenever there is a client who connects to the cloud and is ready to compute the task will be computed and the customer is waiting to retrieve the results.
So now I'm opening the HiveNet client and I go to the computing section. There I see that the PC is ready for computing, so I just need to start and wait to receive a task. When the green bar is running, I know that the task is in progress. Down here I can see the time it already took to do the task, and now I just have to wait for the task to finish.
Okay, now I'm also starting the HiveNet client. As you will see, for Windows users it's all the same as for Mac users. I'm going directly to the computing section. As you can see, my notebook is also ready for computing some tasks. I press start and it's already going. As you can see, the computing time here is ticking up. As we don't know how long this task will exactly take, we now simply have to wait.
So now the first task has been completed and we would like to retrieve the results of the first task from the cloud. So we have a simple plain script which does the job. You give the name of the task you want to retrieve the result and it retrieves the result for you. And we run this script here and we redirect the out file to a output.txt file. So we execute it and then it's done. We open the results folder and you see that the output.txt file is present. So we will wait now for the other tasks to be completed, and then likewise we will retrieve the results for all the tasks, and then we are done.
As you can see, all tasks are completed and the computer is now waiting to receive new tasks. And that's it. After my computer has finished the tasks, I of course go to the wallet because I want to see if I got a fair reward for the work my computer did. As you can see, the current balance is 12 and this should rise up after I press refresh. As you can see, I now have 14, so everything is fine.
Okay, now the HiveNet client is finished with all the tasks that were uploaded to the HiveNet. Now my client is waiting for any further tasks that might be uploaded. Right now we don't upload any more tasks, so now we are finished here and we can stop. Okay, now that I've finished computing some tasks and I don't want to go on, I'm checking whether I got the rewards that I feel entitled to. These 13 coins in the current balance are from previous tests of the client, and now I will hit refresh and check whether I got the rewards that I should have been given for the tasks that I've performed in the meanwhile. You see it got up by 3, which is correct because I've completed 3 tasks, and this is the routine that we have implemented in the prototype so far, that you get 1 test coin per finished task.
Okay, so as you can see, now all the 5 tasks has been completed by 2 different clients, and the results has been retrieved from the HiveNet, and all of them are present here as 5 different text files. Now these results would be sent to the data analysis team to evaluate the data and find out some conclusion.
In case you have wondered what kind of tasks we have computed, one of our supporters was so kind to provide us with some examples from his scientific work. These 5 tasks calculated binding energies between gas molecules and different surface materials. Simulations like these are often used to study interactions between different atoms or molecules and have many use cases. They can, for example, be used to analyze which materials should be used in a car's catalyst. They can also be used to study pharmaceutical drugs and their binding properties with all kinds of molecules within our body. And there are lots of other use cases. These simulations can be extremely complex and may require lots of computers. The 5 tasks we used for today's demo are comparably easy. So we could do them with just 2 computers in little time. So this is how our current prototype is working. As you have seen, the client is working on Windows and macOS. It is simple to use and already got the basic functionalities in place. The HiveNet prototype can already distribute customer tasks to providers via the internet. The tasks are then decentrally computed on individual computers. After a task is finished, the results are readily available to the customer, whereas the computer owners are rewarded with test coins, which are delivered via a dedicated blockchain. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated with our progress with the HiveNet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. You can find the links to our social media channels in the video's description. I hope you enjoyed our demo. Thank you for watching and see you soon.